Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I install a 1.25 inches Spidertrax wheel spacers on my Tundra. Also at the end of the video you will see the before and after comparison. I started with the front driver side, but you can start with any side. First of all, I lifted it from the chassis and then removed the center cap. I didn't lift it completely to keep the tire touching the floor a little bit. This is required when removing the front side tires to avoid wheel spinning. I'll loosen all nuts with the tire touching the floor, then lift it completely and proceed to remove all nuts. Now clean everything and make sure the surface is as clean as possible without any dust or corrosion. Now apply thread locker to all bolts. This is very important to prevent loosening. Place the wheel spacer into position. Install all nuts in a cross pattern, but don't go with the full torque yet. Insert a bar within the brake disc to prevent it from spinning while tightening all nuts. I apply 130 foot-pound of torque to all nuts following a cross pattern. Please always double check with the manufacturer instructions to confirm the right torque. Failing to do so can cause serious problems or accidents. Now it's time to get the wheel on. Lower the truck until the tire presses the floor. Apply 97 foot-pound of torque if you have aluminum wheels, or 154 if you have steel wheels. Now repeat the same steps for all remaining wheel spacers. For the rear side, I lifted the truck one side at a time from the differential. Well, this is the end of this video. If you like it, hit that like button below. I'll be doing a lot of modification to my Tundra. If you are interested on do-it-yourself stuff, I'd invite you to see all other mods that I did to my Tundra. Please go to my channel and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye!